Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Hindi Seekho TV. This is part 5 of the series Introduction to Hindi Alphabets. Now let's begin. These are all of the alphabets that are present in both Hindi and Sanskrit language. And the script is Devanagari. This is called Devanagari script. So in this video, I will describe how all of these are written and pronounced. The first one is K. K is pronounced as K and written as next is Kh. It is pronounced Kha, Kha. Kha. Next is G. G. Pronounced as G. Next is Gha. Pronounced as Gha, Gha. Next is R. Pronounced as R. Now let's check out the next ones. This one is pronounced as Cha. Cha. Next is Cha. Pronounced as Cha. Next is J. Pronounced as Ja. Next is Jha. Jha is pronounced as Jha. Next is Ya. Pronounced as Ya. And this alphabet is barely used anywhere. This is very non-popular in Hindi. Now let's move on to the next ones. Before that, let me show you how to write this one. I hope you get it now. Next ones are Ta, Tha, Da, Dha, and Na. Ta, Tha, Da, Dha, Na. The next ones are Ta, Tha, Da, Dha, Na. Notice how these two columns sound very similar. Notice how the pronunciation of these two columns are very similar. This is Ta, this is Ta. Difference, notice the difference. Ta, Ta, Ta. Notice the difference. Ta, Ta. Tha, Tha. Da, Da. Dha, Dha. na, na. And the next ones are pa, fa or pha, ba, bha, ma. The pronunciations are pa, fa, ba, bha, ma. The next ones are ya, ra, la, va, sha. This is what the pronunciation looks. Ya, ra, la, va, sha. And now the last 6 consonants: sa, sha, ha, sha, tra, gya. This is what the pronunciations look like. Sa, sha, ha, sha, tra, gya. Now let's move on to the vowels. Now let's check out all the vowels that are present in Hindi and even in Sanskrit. First one is a. Next is a. 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 Next is E. Next is E. Notice the difference. E. E. Next is U. Next is U. There's a bit of difference, notice here. U and U. Next is Re. Re. Next is A. A. Next is A. A. A and A. Next is O. Next is O. O and O. Next is Ang. Then next is Ah. Ang and Ah. So these were all the alphabets that are present in Hindi language, and these are also used in Sanskrit language as well. In the next part, we will discuss how various words are formed using many of these alphabets. That's it for this video. I will see you in the next part.